Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I like to get some early judging in. Let's be honest, you're going to be a little sluggish, you're going to need a little bit to keep going. Let's start with something healthy like a Bloody Mary. I like to start by shaking the tomato juice, just so there's no horrible lumps at the bottom. And I half fill the glass. You'll see why in a moment. God. A decent dash of Tabasco. A shot of vodka. Whatever comes to hand is fine. A bit more tomato juice. And I like to have a little celery salt on top. And a subtle and understated bit of salad with my breakfast. But wait, that's a Bloody Mary, you say. It's a little bit tragic to be into the Bloody Mary first thing in the morning, and I agree. So I like to start with coffee. One shot vodka. Half a shot white cacao. Do not omit this. It won't change the flavor profile, but it does add something to the drink. One shot Kahlua. Once again, if you're not buying it in a proper size bottle, what are you doing with your life? One standard short black. And shake. Shake until everything is nice and cool. Get some air in there. And then pour out your espresso martini, which isn't really a martini, but we won't get into that because it's far too early for that sort of pedantry. Drop a couple of coffee beans on top and enjoy breakfast.